Hi Jules gang, Ada Ataibo in the building, and you know how we do. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your favorite girl is here to give you more juice, that sauce you've never seen before. So before we get into the business of today, I want to read out some lovely comments from my people, from the people that have been commenting. So if you have not been commenting, please do well to be commenting on my post so that you can stand the chance for me to give you a shout out, okay? So yeah, from my last comment, La Real MUSA, wow, this is beautiful, Ada. Oh, thank you. God bless you. And Wafi Young says, nice one. Good time efficiency. Okay, time. Okay, thank you. And another person, David Avagnada. Sister, I can't pronounce this one. No, come to my tongue. Wow, he said, wow, this is time conscious. Well done. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the comments you guys leave under my post. I want you guys to keep commenting, and don't forget to share every video that I make, and most importantly, tell your friends and your family to subscribe. So now getting into the business after that. Yes, sister, I have made a mistake where I have been drawing eyeliner. So it was you know, with when it comes to makeup, yeah, you are not all that perfect. There's always a time, nobody's above mistakes. So there are always some times that you tend to do a lot of mistakes. So today I will tell you how I made the mistake and how I corrected my mistake instantly, and how my correction still kind of got into another mistake, and then how I still corrected that whole mistake. So yeah, drawing eyeliner is one part of makeup that I do with all my heart and all my soul, because the little mistake that you do, you're going to mess the whole makeup up. So after doing my skin, you know, doing the eyeshadow on the client and stuff like that, it was now time to draw the eyeliner. Sister, I carried the eyeliner container, and as I was drawing, I wanted to be steady, please, and I needed my client to close her eyes so that I can do this in peace and go get away with it. So I drew the liner gently and quietly. Now I've gotten the right part. It was now time to do the left part. And you know, drawing eyeliner on the left part is one kind of a little bit, you know, difficult. Not all that, but so doing the eyeliner on the other side of the eye, I drew it. I looked at it and I looked at the other one. I'm like, they don't look the same. What thing I go come do now? So I said, okay, this one was a bit longer. Let me make this one a bit longer. Now, making this one a bit longer, that was where the mistake happened, my sister. What was I supposed to do? And this client has hooded eyes. I told her, please don't open your eyes. Do not open your eyes. You know, people now, just because they want to just have a peep of what their makeup looks like, then she opened her eyes and then the eyeliner smudged. If you're a makeup artist, you will know that this part is where gets you angry. Don't even lie about it. This part gets you angry, and what can you do about it? So I had to go ahead, and there are some eyeliner, mind you, there are some eyeliner that when you put a concealer on it, the concealer turns black. So now, how are you going to correct that one? Then there are some eyeliners that when you put concealer on it, the concealer actually covers the eyeliner. Sometimes you have to take your time, conceal, or you can allow the eyeliner to dry before you then conceal, before you then put powder, and then reapply the eyeshadow again. And then for the eyeliner that's smudged, just use concealer to correct. Or bad as the bad, sister, clean everything and start again. if you know, if you don't want to stress yourself or make it too much, or you don't feel like, maybe you feel like the product you're putting on the eye is too much, sister, wipe the whole eye and start again. Apply the foundation, apply concealer, set with powder, and then do your eyeshadow over again. And then this time around, tell madam to please close her eyes and not open her eyes. And then always have a fan. Always have a fan on standby so that you can always dry off this thing. So when I made that mistake, back to the mistake. When I made the mistake, I had to like use concealer actually to correct, and then reapply eyeshadow, and then correct this other part. I used concealer to just correct it, and that was how I got the perfect eyeliner that is looking the same with the right one. And it didn't look like I applied too much on that side, because I had to try to make it look like the other side too as well. So yeah, this is the mistake I have made with drawing eyeliner. Please, I would like to hear more of your mistakes. If you have made mistake doing your makeup, or you've made mistake doing your own eyeliner, or you've made mistake in any part of your business, because it's not just all about makeup, in any part of your business or any part of your life, I want to hear the mistake. So please share the mistake in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, above it all, please share to your friends and family, and click on the notification post so that you can always be the first to get my video when I post it. That was how I made mistake with drawing eyeliner. I hope you learned something from what I said. And please do, if you learned anything, please do to leave your comments in the comment section, as I'll be reading comments in my next video. So please subscribe, like, share to friends and family, and above all, turn on the post notification so that you can be the first to get my video whenever I post it. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.